Today we will solve some weird equation which involves factorials along with the algebraic polynomials. How do we even solve it? Well, we will solve it, but please first do subscribe to my channel, and now let's dive into it. So the question states that x factorial is equal to x cube minus x for all x belonging to positive integers union 0. Why positive integers union 0? Because by positive integers we generally mean natural numbers, but if we do a union with 0, then we come to the set of whole numbers. So you can say like this also, or you can even say like that it belongs to whole numbers. Both make sense. Okay, so now let's start. Let's first of all analyze the question. It states that x factorial is equal to x cube minus x. Okay, so how do we even start? Okay, notice that you can take x common, so let's do it. X factor is equal to x into x square minus 1, right? It will be correct. And now observe that x factorial is equal to x into x minus 1 factorial. You know this property, right? So apply it. X multiplied by x minus 1 factorial is equal to x into x square minus 1 factorial. Sorry, not over here. And notice that can x be equal to 0? If you substitute 0 over here, you get 0 factorial is equal to 0 cube minus 0, which means what is 0 factorial? 0 factorial is equal to 1, 1 is equal to 0. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. Which means, hence x can't be equal to 0. So you can cancel x both sides, which means x minus 1 factorial is equal to x square minus 1. Okay. So what now? You can say x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 factorial now. Is it correct? Yeah, it is correct. There's no issue. Which is equal to, what is a square minus b square? X square minus 1 can be written as x whole square minus 1 whole square, which is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1. How? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Is it correct or not? Yeah, it is correct. If you don't believe, you can just multiply it. You get a square minus ab plus ab plus it will be minus b square. This and this cancel, you get a square minus b square. I hope it makes sense. Okay. So moving on to further, it is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1, right? It is correct. So notice that can x be equal to 1? Okay, check again. Is 1 factorial equal to 1 cube minus 1? Is 1 is equal to 0? Again a contradiction. So you can cancel these two terms also. And you end up getting x minus 2 factorial is equal to x plus 1. It is better than this expression at least. So what you will do now, x minus 2, you will set it equal to n, because it will make it look simpler basically. So you get x is equal to n plus 2, right? Now substitute it over here. You get n factorial is equal to x plus 2 plus 1 is is n plus 3. So we have to solve this equation, and it is pretty much solvable. How? Let's see. Substitute, we will use hit and trial method basically. And since our factorial function is a rapidly increasing function, and n plus 3 is it increases at a constant rate, and factorial it increases gradually, not gradually, it increases very fast. So how do we even compare them? It implies that they will cut each other at only one point, we can say for surety. So put n is equal to 1. So is 1 factorial equal to 4? No. Put n is equal to 2. Is 2 factorial equal to 5? No. I mean n is equal to 1, which implies 1 factorial is equal to 1 plus 3, which implies 1 is equal to 4, which is wrong. Second, I put n is equal to 2. So 2 factorial equal to 2 plus 3, which implies 2 is equal to 5, which is wrong. Now put n is equal to 3, what you get? You get 3 factorial is equal to 3 plus 3. Is 3 factorial equal to 6? Yeah, 3 factorial is indeed equal to 6, and it is equal to 6, which implies LHS is equal to RHS, which means n is equal to 3 is the only solution. Why? because after this, if you put n is equal to 4, you get 4 factor is 24. So 24 is equal to 7. It is wrong. And see, it has just become so larger than the n plus 3 term, which means after this it won't intersect anymore, which means n is equal to 3 is the only solution. But we have to find x, not n. So n is equal to 3 and x minus 2 was equal to n, and x was equal to n plus 2, which means x is equal to 3 plus 2, which means x is equal to 5. That's the answer. Does it satisfy? You can put it over there. Is 5 factorial equal to 5 cube minus 5? It is 120. It is 125 minus 5. Yeah, it is equal. Which means x is equal to 5 is the only solution to this amazing question. I hope you all understood it, and please do subscribe to my channel, and please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.